IHMC's Science Saturdays are a cornerstone of our community outreach, sparking curiosity and fostering a love for science in young minds for the past 2 decades. Each month, students from 3rd through 7th grade are invited to join us for 90-minute sessions filled with discovery and excitement. Led by IHMC researchers and community scientists, these hands-on experiences cover topics ranging from balloon cars, robotics, secret codes, to genetics and 3D printing. Best of all, thanks to the generous support of our community partners, these sessions are free for the families who attend. Led by Dr. Ursula Schwutke, Director of the Educational Outreach for IHMC, the program is designed to have a significant positive impact on session attendees, especially among families with limited resources. For many of these students, Science Saturdays offers unique opportunities to engage with STEM concepts in ways that classroom lectures cannot. Held in both Pensacola and Ocala, Science Saturdays is more than a weekend activity. It's a transformative experience and serves as a community hub for young explorers. The diversity of programming and the high quality of each session is designed to keep students excited and eager to return month after month. As students grow out of the program, many choose to return to Science Saturdays as high school volunteers. They bring their enthusiasm and experience to help guide the next generation of young scientists. Volunteering not only allows them to give back to the program that inspired them, but it also provides a valuable leadership experience and strengthens their own passion for STEM. Science Saturdays are more than just fun. These sessions are an essential part of building the next generation of scientists, engineers, and critical thinkers. At IHMC, we are committed to inspiring future innovators, and Science Saturdays are a key part of that mission. Sign up today at ihmc.us/Science Saturdays. Join us and be part of the journey where science is not just a subject, it's an adventure.